Prime Minister Narendra Modi will interact with beneficiaries of the Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra through video conferencing today. Union Home and Corporation Minister Amit Shah will chair the National Parks Mega Conclave on Primary Agricultural Credit Societies at Vigya Bhavan in New Delhi today. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh will leave on a 2-day visit to London today. He will be accompanied by a high-level Ministry of Defence delegation comprising senior officials from DRDO Service Headquarters, Department of Defence and Department of Defence Production. Union Minister of Housing, Urban Affairs, Petroleum and Natural Gas Hardeep Singh Puri today observed that most schemes of the Union government is aimed at empowering women. Hockey India has named a 41-member core probability group for the Junior Women's National Coaching Camp that begins today at the Sports Authority of India Centre, Bengaluru.